This tutorial will explain using Google Maps for the Assignment 1 cover slides and context maps. First, navigate to the Google Maps website and search for your hometown. After the map's populated to your hometown, we'll want to select Satellite View on the bottom left corner. To remove any of the labels that may be on your map, we'll want to toggle on the left corner. There will be the left top corner of the screen. There are three small lines, the menu next to the search bar. And there will be an option at the satellite view, underneath satellite view, to turn labels off. Select the labels on, and those should disappear. You should now have an unlabeled map. We'll also want to close this left sidebar by selecting the tiny arrow next to the X on the search bar, which will collapse that side panel. We'll now zoom into our specific hometown area. Notice on the bottom right corner, the current scale is at 5 miles, and we will want that to go down to about 2,000 feet. Now that we're set at about 2,000 feet, we will want to take a screenshot of this map. Be sure to include the 2,000 feet at the bottom right corner. The scale will need to be included. So I'll go ahead and take a screenshot. If you're using a Windows computer, you can now use the snipping tool, which should be available on every Windows computer. But for this sake, I'll be doing Command-Shift-4 to take a screenshot, making sure to include that scale bar. We'll now open Illustrator or PowerPoint to continue for assignment 1.